Now we will continue with exercise and rest for good health. All of you know that exercise is very important for maintaining a good health along with a balanced diet. Now it says in your book on page 12 that besides eating a balanced diet, that means if we eat a balanced diet, along with that we must exercise regularly and get enough rest to stay healthy. These habits along with nutritious food help us to have strong and healthy body. So it's important to have a balanced diet, do regular exercise, get enough rest, okay, maintain a good posture. So these are the things to stay healthy. Now regular exercise. What kind of exercise should we do? The muscles in our body become weak if we do not exercise regularly. So if we do not exercise regularly, body becomes weak, we become lethargic, or we feel tired. So regular exercise helps develop the muscles. What happens with regular exercise? Muscles are toned and developed. Exercise also makes our muscles flexible and strong. Flexible means we can move our hands and legs easily without pain. We can get enough exercise by playing outdoor games and from simple physical activities. Of course, now in the corona times we are not able to go out, so outdoor exercises should be avoided now. You can do these exercises in your house. So you can do various kinds of exercises at home. You can do yoga, you can do some exercises that we had taught you at school also. Now we can there were exercises which were done such as running and cycling earlier, but as I told you, because of corona we are not doing this, but it should be done when we are well again, when things are better, when we are living a normal life again. When we exercise, more blood is pumped throughout our body. What happens when we exercise more? More blood is pumped through, means there is a circulation of blood taking place properly. So more oxygen reaches different parts of the body. This helps in repairing damaged body parts. What happens? The damaged body parts begin to repair on their own. Our body has a self-repairing system that helps to repair any kind of damaged parts in our body. So regular exercise also makes bones and joints stronger. As I told you, it strengthens the nervous system by supplying more blood to the brain. Even our nervous system, the system which helps in movement of hands, legs, okay, different kinds of activities that we do. The position in which we hold our body while standing, walking and lying down is called posture. So what is posture? The way we sit or stand. We can have a good posture, we can have a bad posture, but what is important here is to know how to sit or stand. When we know how to sit or stand or lie down, that helps us to maintain a good posture so that we don't have any posture related diseases. There are many posture related diseases in these times. So it is important to maintain a good posture while performing activities. A good posture decreases stress on the backbone. All of you know we have a backbone, okay, and there are 33 small bones, okay. Those bones make up the backbone. This keeps our backbone strong. A correct posture keeps our bones and joints in the right position so that the muscles are used properly. It also prevents backache and muscle ache. So it's very important to maintain a correct posture. First of all, it decreases stress on the backbone, okay, it keeps the backbone strong. A correct posture keeps our bones and joints in the right position so that muscles are used properly, and of course it prevents backache and muscle pain. So that's all about exercise. Now we move to enough rest for our body. Our body, like what happens to your mobile? You use it whole day. After using it whole day, it needs charge again. So this charging system that happens with rest in the human body. So what happens when we sleep? Sleep gives our body the rest it needs. When we rest, our muscles relax. And our breathing and heartbeat slow down. Now this gives our body time to grow and repair its damaged parts. A lot of things happen while we sleep. That growing of and repairing goes on when we are sleeping. We feel fresh and energetic if we get enough rest. But on the contrary, if we do not get enough rest, we feel irritable, we feel angry. So generally we need about 8 hours of sleep every day for good health. If we want to stay healthy, we need to take enough, a balanced diet, exercise and enough rest to keep ourselves healthy and strong. So this brings us to the end of this lesson on page number 13. I hope you have understood the various kinds of deficiency diseases that I have taught you that side. I have taught you about the balanced diet, about different nutrients in the body, required in the body, okay, and of course exercise and enough rest for the body. So after this we will do our question answers, diagrams, etc. So please keep doing it regularly. Thank you. Different